David, I hear you have some very exciting news to share with us.
Oh, we do. We've just introduced a new indirect time of flight sensor. It's for depth in motion.
And what's so special? What makes it so unique?
Oh, what makes it unique? This is unlike any other iToF sensor, any other depth sensor out there. So this is it's a sensor that has depth calculation on board. It's highly accurate, and it's for motion. So here we're demonstrating here, you can see this is like a machine vision application.
Yes.
Where you've got things going on.
Oh, so that's what we're showing on the screen.
That's what we're showing on the screen there, yeah. So this is like a machine vision, whether it's bottles or something that we can...
What about luggage? Like, could airports use
Oh,
this?
absolutely. You can use it for luggage, you can use this for logistics, it can be used in warehouses, for boxes, for shape.
And the image is so crisp, like...
It's
incredible.
Exactly. So it's all about seeing depth in motion. So existing iToF solutions struggle with motion.
And they have to get an external part to do that, right? To do the calculations and the witchcraft.
They do. So really, it's a global shutter. So it's like a standard machine vision type of sensor.
Okay.
Yeah. So so there's no motion artifacts, and it has, as I said before, it has depth calculation on board, which brings the system cost down completely.
That's awesome. That is really exciting. Now, why would somebody choose iToF versus DToF or direct time of flight?
Right, great question, isn't it? So DToF is really the method is different. So DToF really means you're just measuring the time of the return.
For the light to
for light. So basically, you send a beam of light, and
you
just measure the return of it. iToF is different. So basically, that's measuring a phase shift of a modulated light.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can use multiple frequencies.
Okay.
Yeah. So and it's for. So DToF is great for long distance.
Oh.
Yeah, so really, so it's great for just standard long distance. If you were to do
what's the furthest
points
distance?
to points, yeah, so you can measure the distance of something. If you want to measure the shape of something and you want to measure the size of something, iToF is perfect for it.
Wow, that's incredible. And what kind of applications do you envision for iToF?
Thank you. So this is a machine vision application. Yeah, okay. So what would happen is normally you'd have a camera that's inspecting something, whether it's, I say whatever it is, it could be wood chips, it could be pills in a bottle, it could be liquid, it could be anything. And you need to start to have depth data, you need to analyze what that is. So really you mount the camera on top and you can see the depth. What we're showing here is if you look at these things that we've just been wrecking, they've actually got steps. They've actually got steps in them, and you can see here that we're in very, very small detail. You can see the detail of the depth.
And is there an evaluation board? How can I know if this is the right fit for me?
Okay, this is the evaluation board. So there's various things we can do for our customers. You can have a standard evaluation board, and this works on our standard platform. So this is a USB-based board straight to a standard PC and our standard development environment. Or we can enable modules. So we can do a reference module, and that can be done through Future, of course.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, and or you can have finished cameras from one of our camera partners. So it really depends on the level of engagement that the customer wants.
Okay.
But yes, the evaluation system is available as any other evaluation board is through Future.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much.
It's my pleasure, and thank you for wrecking my demo. That's very kind of you.